Okay, here we have it. 300 Acme Moto. This is a really fun trail. This is like a good 9 out of 10 for fast, fun, flowing, little technicalities in there, and easy for anybody. It's not going to be tough. Let's take a gear. Here we go. Up we go, standing up. Oh yeah, and we are 107.3 hours on the 2020 KTM. Long-term testing and finally a review. Maybe I'll pull the piston at 150. Include that, make it a 150 review because I don't have time for this. Too much riding, less video editing. Alright, let's get at it. Here we go. Woo! So my bar skimmed on a tree back there. Barkbuster. Oh yeah, whoa, beautiful. Locked up the rear there with the rear brake. Log hop. Traction's good except for the little muddy sections. Leaves. Flow, yeah, with the music. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Whoa! Oh! Did you see that mud? Holy crap, what a crash! Woo! Oh man, I just missed the tree! Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Wow. That front end was just sliding forever like a street bike, like pushing the front end and like Marquez trying to save it. Oh, I hope you guys are recording. This is Kelowna Dirtbike Tours. Yeah, we got it, guys. We got it. Whoo! Yeah, there we go. Signing out 107.3 hours. I am Wile E. Coyote, Kelowna Dirtbike Tours.